If you're the type of person that always wanted to have a business of your own and did not have any idea on what to do or what type of business to do, this video is for you. So make sure you continue watching without skipping. You can do any of these businesses in any part of the world and still be successful. Do not think that this business is for a specific place in the world. No, wherever you are and you are watching me, you can do this business and it's going to be very successful. Be sure to check if you need any permit or any license in the country where you are or the state. The first business is going to be upholstery business. Upholstery is another type of cleaning business, but this one focuses on furniture, mattresses, couch, anything that has to do with furniture. So this business is all about you cleaning furniture. There are thousands of people today that they don't know that their mattresses, their chairs, their sofas can be cleaned. We stay with mattresses for years, they have stains, and we don't know what to do with it. So, what do? We trash it. In this business, you are not only going to make money, but you are also going to bring awareness to your friends, your family members, your neighbors, or anybody that they can clean their sofas, their chairs, their mattresses. I'm going to put some pictures somewhere here so you can see what it looks like. It's kind of different from the normal vacuum that we use on carpets and stuff like that. Search for the right product. You just go on Google and search commercial upholstery cleaning machines and equipment. You can check it on Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, AliExpress, or any other legit website that you see online. This is how much some people pay to get their mattresses clean. Imagine if you bought a commercial machine for less than $2,000 and then you have maybe two orders every single day to clean maybe a couch and a mattress every single time, and each day they pay you $250, $300. That is just for a day. Believe me or not, people make money out of this. And how do they do it? They give their prices according to the sizes of the mattresses, according to the sizes of the sofas, according to how dirty or clean the furniture is. So if you're going to open a business like this, I pray and I believe you are going to do this. Make sure you ask for pictures first before you give them the price, because you don't want to give a price and then you go over there and you're going to spend more time than you were supposed to because you did not know what you were going for. The second type of business is a dump truck. To start this business, you don't need to buy an expensive truck and spend a lot of money because of this truck. You can buy a second-hand standard truck and take people's unwanted furniture to the trash. Heavy furniture in this case. You can get a truck for less than $3,000 and offer your services based on the item. There are a lot of people that have heavy stuff at home and they cannot take it to the trash, maybe the old, or people who simply don't have big cars to take their unwanted items to the trash. So you rendering your services to those people will definitely give you an income every single day. Believe me or not, there are people who have unwanted items in their homes, but they do not know how to take them from their home to the trash. The third one is inflatable playing ground. Nowadays, you rarely go to a kids' party and not see a bounce house. Inflatable playing ground varies from 1,500, 2,000, or maybe more than this, depending on the size of the playing ground. If you are starting, I would recommend you get a medium size or a small size. As your business is growing, then that's when you can buy bigger ones, or you can simply buy a bigger one and start with just one. In the long run, you buy more. Before you buy your bounce house, make sure you buy a commercial one. Commercial ones are stronger and they can last for years. Don't buy a cheaper one that cannot sustain a lot of weight. Remember, you are using this to rent it to kids to grown-ups, so there's going to be a lot of weight over there. So buying a commercial one is beneficial in this case. I found online that people rent their bounce houses between $80, 150, 250 and above, depending on the sizes of their equipment. Make sure you have a car that you'll be transporting your bounce house from one place to another. Remember to always advertise your business. If you don't advertise your business, nobody's going to do it for you. So be on social media, tell family members, tell a friend to tell a friend. There is always going to be birthday parties, family reunion, graduation, and many more events that they will definitely need to rent a bounce house, especially when you have a good price and your service is good. Remember, you are just starting your business. So if you can go lower than what you see online, go for it. You just want to build that trust between you and your clients. And as more clients you get, then that's when you can increase the price of your rentals. Before we move to the fourth type of business, if you are here and it's your first time, please subscribe to this channel, show your support, leave a comment, like, and share with others. The fourth one is a backyard farming. If you have enough space in your backyard and you don't know what to do with it, plant vegetables, raise chickens, and even goats, whatsoever is preferable for you. But make use of that space that you have in your house. And then sell those products to your neighbors, or you go to the marketplace or the market square and then sell it and make money out of it. Trust me, things are getting so expensive that everybody's amazed. So if you have the opportunity to plant or have chickens in your backyard, do that. Make money with those eggs or those vegetables. Raising chickens is advantageous because you can sell the chicken and you can also sell eggs. So you can make money out of the chickens and the eggs. If you're the type of person that loves cooking, or a lot of people have appreciated your cooking and you don't have enough money to open a restaurant, why don't you start with a food truck? Before opening this business, make sure you have done your research of any paperwork that you need before having a food truck in your location. After you are done researching, make sure you do have a place in mind where you can be selling with your food truck. Make sure it's a place that has a lot of traffic. You don't want to go and be selling, for example, let's say bread, and you go to a neighborhood or you park in a neighborhood where people don't eat bread. You can get a used food truck from Craigslist, Facebook Market, or any legit website that you will see. Thank you for watching.